Today is what? Monday. Today's date is what? 14th September 2020. Okay children, I have written one proverb for you. Peace can only be achieved by understanding. This is what? Whatever you have to do your work by peacefully, not by fighting or shouting and screaming. Okay, that is the meaning of the proverb. Understood? Now we are going to learn English. What subject we are going to learn? English. What is the topic? Friends forever. Now whom do we call friends? Friends are the person or the child who is very close to you. Understood all of you? And forever means you have to keep your friendship long time forever. That is, for long time you should keep your friendship. You should not break your friendship. Okay, all of you open your textbook, page number 26. What is the page number? 26 and top lesson number 2.6. Friends forever. Friends forever. Okay. Now first only you all are going to act. Only you all are going to listen. Put your finger and listen what I am reading. Make new friend, but keep the old. One is silver and other the gold. A circle is round. It has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea. Friends forever, we will always be. What is given in this poem? What poet want to say over here? Poet is explaining you the meaning of the friendship. Meaning of the friendship. What he is saying? You make a new friend. Make as every day time you can make a friend. But keep the old one also. When you are making new friend and you will forget to old one, it is not a good thing or it is not a good part. Understood all of you? Now one is silver. When you are having one friend, it is like a silver. What is silver, children? Silver is a metal. Understood all of you? And other gold. When you have many friends, it means it is gold. Okay. Now circle is round. How is the circle, children? Circle is round. It has no end. Isn't it or not? Does the circle is breaking anywhere? It is ending anywhere? No, it is round in shape. Same way your friendship also should be. It should not have any end. Okay, it has no end. That is how long I will be your friend. When you are making a friendship with anybody, it should remain for a long time. It should never break. It should remain like a circle all the time. So you should never forget any of the friend. Followed all of you? Now how your friendship should be? It should be across the land. It should be far away from the land. And it should across the sea also. Understood? What is sea is? The place where you might have gone to see shower with your parents. Isn't it or not? There is, what do you see over there? Your shower will be there and far long there will be a water. Isn't it or not? Like a bluish color. And friends forever, we will always be. And you should be always friend like a across, your friendship should be long like a land. And your friendship should be broad like a sea. Understood? You should never break your friendship with your friends. And you should always try to see, while making a friend, you should see that what type of friend is. What kind of friend is. Understood all of you? That's the poem Friends Forever. What it is? Friends Forever. Now, repeat after me. In a tune we will say, make a new friends and keep the old. One is silver and others the gold. A circle is round. It has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea. Friends forever, I will always be. Okay, now how you will do the little bit actions I'll show you. You can follow me also. Now let us see. Make a new friend. All of you, make a new friends. Make a new friend, but keep the old, One is silver, and others the gold, and other gold means this kind of yellowish color. Understood? Others the gold. A circle is round. Circle is round. It has no end, isn't it? Does this circle has any end? No. So your friendship should be also like a circle. It should be round. You should, when you are playing also, you can make a circle with your friends and you can play a game. This is how long. This is how long. I will be your friend. I will be your friend. Understood, all of you? Now, across the land, across the land, across the sea, across the land, across the sea. Friends forever, friends forever. I will always be. We will always be. Friends forever. We will always be. Like that you should have a friendship. Understood, all of you? Now come on, repeat once more after me. Come on, say in a tune now. Make a new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and other the gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever. We will always be. Friends forever. We will always be. Did you understand, all of you? Now what you all are going to, I'll put some words for you. Okay. Now come on, what's the spelling of friends? What is the spelling of friends, you know? Let our circle be here only, okay? What is the spelling of friends? F R I E N D S, friends. Second word is forever. So all of you, forever. F O R E V E R, forever. Next one is silver. Next one is silver. S I L V E R. S I L V E R. Next one is, fourth one is land. What is the spelling of land? L-A-N-D. How do you pronounce? Land. Fifth one is gold. What is the fifth one? Gold. What is the spelling of gold? G-O-L-D. Next, sixth one is circle. What is the spelling of circle? C-I-R-C-L-E. Say all of you, C-I-R-C-L-E. Seventh one is round. R-O-U-N-D. R-O-U-N-D. Eighth one is across. What it is? Across. A-C-R-O-S-S. So what are the new words we have learned in this poem? Friends, forever, silver, land, gold, circle, round and across. What you all are going to do is now, you have to learn this poem by heart with action. Understood? You can put your own actions also. So let us repeat this poem once again. Make a new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and other the gold. Circle is round and it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea. Friends forever, friends forever. We will always be. Friends forever, we will always be. So children, learn this poem. It is there in your textbook. Learn this poem by heart. Understood, all of you?